have two. Got the mixing bowl, brush. This is what you use as a mixer. I put this on my edges so I don't stain my skin. Let's see how this actually turns out, guys, because I have no clue. So basically what I do first is I take the developer mix, and it's by L'Oreal again, and here, but this does have, I don't know if you can barely see it, it does have measurings right there, so got it in there. Open it. So you mix, 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 mix. Okay guys, so here I get ready to protect my skin because I am going with the violet color and I don't want to walk around with violet skin. Once I am done making sure all my edges or skin is covered up and protected, pin my hair up and start the dyeing process. For all you professionals out there, don't crucify me, please. This is just a girl trying to do it at home. Some people like to part their hair. I both part and use my hands to make sure that the hair is completely saturated and massaged through carefully. Alright, we're back. It looks black. We'll see how it looks in the light. All I care is that I don't see no more grays. Yeah. Alright guys, so here I'm just really stoked that I ain't got no more gray hairs left in my head. So we're going to go ahead and blow dry it. Try to blow dry it as close as possible to dry. Now I will be flat ironing it, but before I put a hot iron in my hair, I will be using a heat protector. So what I like to do is I like to spray my hair carefully with heat protector. Then after it's sprayed through, I will comb my hair out, blow dry it one more time, make sure that it's set in correctly. Then I'll be ready to finally put that hot comb in my hair, and let's see what the finished look is, guys. You ready? I don't see purple in it, but I sure as hell don't see any more white hairs. So bust fail at the same time. We'll see how it looks in the sun. It's probably one of those colors that you can only see in the sun.